Hey guys, today we're going to be taking apart this Acer laptop. I've actually already taken out a few of the screws. I only have like 4 left to do, which are these ones. So I'll just fast forward the video. Once you have removed all the screws, you turn the laptop upside down to get all the screws out. I've already done that. Once you've done that, you open the laptop and you should be able to remove the top thingy. I'm just going to remove it. Okay, so this comes off. You need to remember to unplug the keyboard and that, otherwise you will break the cables. Okay, here we are on the inside of the laptop. So we have a WD 500GB hard drive, this long battery. If you actually want to remove the RAM, you need to go into, you have to take off the motherboard to do that. And yes, now I'm going to put it back on. First, you have to plug in everything. I'll just plug that in because it's quite a challenge. I haven't put everything back on yet, but just so you know, there are like these kind of switch thingies on the bottom that you want to flick before you put the cord back in. So I'm just going to put in the keyboard now. That's all loose. Once you have plugged everything back in, you pop the top thingy back into place. You flip back over and put the screws back in. I actually haven't screwed in everything. I'm just going to go get the charger and see if it works. If the keyboard works, if the trackpad works, because we just unplugged that stuff. So we plug it back in and we need to see if the cord still works. We don't want to screw the whole thing back on just to find out it doesn't work. I have plugged mine in now to see if it still works. As you can see, my trackpad still works. I can't test the keyboard because it's taking so long to load. Oh, please wait. Press the up arrow key. There, working. Thank you for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.